If you want to kiss a girl, it's important to make sure she's interested first. When you're hanging out with her, try giving her some flirty compliments to see how she responds. For instance, you might say something like, "You have such a gorgeous smile," or "I can't get over how smart and funny you are." You can also show interest by smiling at her, making eye contact, or even trying some light physical touch, like putting your hand on her arm when you're talking to her. If she smiles back, leans in close, or responds with flirting and compliments of her own, she may be into you. Before you try kissing her, make sure she's cool with it by asking for her consent. Say something like, "Is it okay if I kiss you?" Or, "I'd love to kiss you right now." If she says it's okay, warm up by holding her hands, putting your arms around her, or gently caressing her face. Make eye contact, relax your lips, and slowly lean in. As you get close, close your eyes and tilt your head to one side just a little so you don't bump your nose into hers. Then gently press your lips against hers and hold the kiss for 1 to 4 seconds. Don't try to put your tongue in her mouth on your first kiss, since that can come off as a little aggressive or awkward. When you're done, pull back gently and check her body language. If she pulls away, that probably means she's done kissing for now. But if she stays close or leans in, she may be ready for another kiss. You can always make sure by saying something like, "That was wonderful, can I kiss you again?" As you get more comfortable kissing her, experiment with different styles of kissing. For example, you might try kissing her cheek or neck, lifting her off of the ground, or dipping her for an ultra romantic kiss, or gently French kissing her if you're both ready to take things to the next level.